Hello again. Welcome back. I'm Takoda. Today is hike day. It's another beautiful day. Let's see what we find on our hike. Look at these weird trees. Lots of them have very bendy trunks. Ouch! Oops! I hit my head. Oops! I'll be okay. Hehe. Ooh, oh, look here. What a pretty dragonfly. Look at me. I'm walking across the log. One foot in front of the other. I can do it. Mom is waiting for me on the other end. I'm being careful. It's a little tricky to stay balanced. Oops, uh-oh. I'm losing my balance. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to get wet. Uh-oh. Oh boy. I fell in the water. Oh boy, I'm all wet. Hee, I made it. But now I am totally wet. Well, Mom, I'm going to get you all wet too. Look out, everybody. I need to shake, 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 shake. I have to get some of this water off me. Thank goodness Mom packed a towel for me. I feel much better now. I had lots of fun today, even though I fell in the water. Hee hee. Well, I'm almost dry now. Looks like it's time to hike back. I sure had a fun adventure today. I hope you can join me again soon. Also, maybe ask your grown-up to subscribe for more adventures with me. See you soon.